He said, no, they invite you to run in Brazil. I said, gentlemen, I'm tired. Because I was only 3 weeks coming back. I said, gentlemen, I wanted to say, please, let me talk to Mr. Border. Talk to Mr. Border. Mr. Border said, Titus, he said, he's tired. He said, no, please, talk to him. He must just go there because we are not allowed to invite Brazilian people to come to run in South Africa. Maybe if he can go there, we can get a chance to invite them. And my manager talked to me. I said, all right, I'll train. I'm going there. 22, I fly from Johannesburg. Airport, Cape Town, flop to Rio de Janeiro, landing, taking another flight to Sao Paulo. I went there, I got that chat who invited me. We stay in the hotel there. The race we are going to run, it was on the New Year Eve, like last week. New Year Eve. That race ran at night.
At night?
At night, 12 o'clock.
How many kilometers?
It was 15 kilometers. Yeah. So, all the wealth was there. Only South Africa was not allowed to go there. That time was the first South African to run there. All right? Then we stay in the hotel. Every afternoon, they take it to a stadium to do the speed and so on. The other gentleman who brought the athlete there, they say, where is this man coming from? They asked that. I can call him my manager because I knew him. He said, from South Africa. I said, no, man, this man, it looks very dangerous. Unfortunately, he cannot win the race because it's the first time coming here. He hasn't got experience. But if he was separate, really he could win the race. He come to me and said, did you hear them? You hear them? I say, yes. They say, if you can, all right, because you cannot win this race because it's the first time coming here. But if you can get 20 position, I'll be happy. Even the Brazilian, they see I brought the men here. I say, all right, 20. I say, yes. I say, oh. The day comes on the New Year Eve. Go to the stadium. Going to start the race. All right. People, you see, like, did you see when race start? A lot of people like that. We stand there. 12 o'clock, we run.